On July 4, 2025, as fireworks light up the sky, we reflect on a different kind of ascent. A journey that began months earlier on a Florida evening. A pillar of fire launched the SpaceX Dragon, carrying U.S. Air Force Major Nicole "Vapor" Ayers on her first mission beyond Earth. Transitioning from the F-22 Raptor's roar to the silence of space, Ayers brought a lifetime of discipline and skill to the Crew 10 mission. The cockpit of a fighter jet and the International Space Station may seem worlds apart, but both demand absolute precision and calm under pressure. For Ayers, this mission is more than a change in altitude. It's proof that the skills honed in the sky are vital in space. The launch from Kennedy Space Center was flawless, but Ayers was no mere passenger. She was an active participant, running checklists and preparing for the challenges ahead. Her journey is a testament to ambition, mastery of complex systems, and the relentless pursuit of exploration. The path from fighter pilot to astronaut is rare, but it's paved with discipline, expertise, and the drive to push beyond the horizon. Major Ayers' story is a new chapter in human spaceflight, inspiring us to reach higher than ever before. When we think of spaceflight advancements, we picture rockets and hardware. But the real upgrade is the mindset elite pilots bring to the astronaut corps. Major Ayers exemplifies this hidden upgrade, a combat-proven F-22 pilot's way of thinking, forged in high-performance flight. In the cockpit, pilots don't just react, they anticipate, rehearsing every scenario so responses are automatic, not panicked. This is exactly what spaceflight demands: calm, methodical problem-solving, and clear communication under pressure. Fighter pilots excel at managing complex data streams, making split-second decisions, and maintaining situational awareness, skills directly transferable to the ISS. Astronauts must filter noise, focus on what matters, and understand how systems interact, just as pilots do. Most importantly, pilots have a deep respect for risk. They study danger, never grow complacent, and stay vigilant. When Ayers straps into Dragon, she brings this mindset: prepared, not fearless. NASA's strategy is clear. Select those who've proven they can operate at the highest level when the stakes are absolute. The true power of Ayers' F-22 experience isn't hardware, it's her disciplined, resilient approach to every challenge. That's the hidden upgrade shaping the future of human spaceflight. It's not just about flying, it's about thinking like a pilot, no matter where you are. An astronaut's journey starts long before the launch pad. It's built over years of relentless pursuit of excellence. Major Ayers' 1,400 flight hours in the T-38 and F-22, including 200 combat hours, forged her resilience and focus under extreme pressure. Combat flying is the ultimate test, where decisions mean life or death for yourself and your team. This composure is exactly what NASA seeks for long-duration missions. Ayers also brings academic rigor, with a master's in computational mathematics and proven leadership as Assistant Director of Operations for an elite fighter squadron. Her career is a blend of flying skill, combat-tested resilience, analytical thinking, and leadership. NASA's 2021 selection of Ayers recognized that her entire career was preparation for space. She's not just a pilot, she's a leader, scientist, and problem solver, ready for the challenges of orbit. For Ayers, space is the next arena to apply everything she's mastered on Earth. Crew 10 is more than a ride to orbit, it's a multinational scientific expedition. Led by NASA Commander Anne McClain with Ayers as pilot, and joined by Japan's Takuya Onishi and Russia's Kirill Peskov, the crew embodies international collaboration. Their 6-month home, the ISS, is a marvel of engineering and cooperation. The team will conduct over 200 experiments from human physiology to Earth observation, with real benefits for life on Earth. Their work also prepares us for future missions to the Moon and Mars, testing life support, food growth, and the effects of space on the human body. Maintenance and upgrades are constant, demanding technical skill and teamwork. With a blend of veteran experience and fresh expertise, Crew 10 is ready for the multifaceted demands of life in orbit. For a pilot used to the hands-on feel of a jet, the SpaceX Dragon's touchscreen cockpit is a paradigm shift. Gone are the yokes and analog gauges. Now it's all sleek displays and software. As Crew 10's pilot, Ayers must master this environment, ready to take manual control if needed. It's less about stick and rudder skills, more about managing complex automation and understanding the spacecraft's logic. Her background in computational mathematics is a powerful asset, letting her anticipate and diagnose system behavior. Docking with the ISS is the most delicate phase. While automated, it demands the pilot's vigilance and precision, skills honed in aerial refueling and formation flying. The modern spacecraft pilot is a systems manager and troubleshooter, balancing trust in automation with readiness to intervene. Ayers' F-22 training prepared her for this duality. Trust the machine, but always be ready to take command. In Dragon's cockpit, her vigilance ensures crew safety and mission success. Life on the ISS demands adaptation and precision. Every action in weightlessness must be deliberate. Here, a fighter pilot's situational awareness is invaluable, navigating the station's 3D environment with ease. Crew resource management, a cornerstone of aviation safety, is even more critical in space. Clear communication and teamwork are essential. Ayers' leadership in her squadron makes her a natural at fostering collaboration. In emergencies like a fire or depressurization, the crew must act instantly, executing procedures from memory, just like a fighter pilot in crisis. Ayers' combat experience means she stays calm, processes information quickly, and takes decisive action. Even routine science demands a pilot's attention to detail and procedural discipline, minimizing errors that could jeopardize research. From emergency drills to delicate experiments, the skills honed in the F-22 cockpit are fundamental assets in orbit. Ayers proves that fighter pilot training is not just relevant, it's essential for life and work in space. The ISS is a new battle space, and her skills shine brighter than ever. Every day, she applies the discipline and focus that kept her safe in the sky to keep her crew safe in space. Major Ayers' journey continues a storied tradition, NASA's reliance on elite military pilots as astronauts. From the Mercury 7 to today, pilots like Alan Shepard and Neil Armstrong set the standard for courage and technical mastery. The F-22 Raptor, a flying supercomputer, demands cognitive skills that translate perfectly to modern spacecraft like Dragon. By selecting fifth-generation fighter pilots, NASA taps into a pool fluent in automation, data fusion, and systems management. This isn't just about skills, it's about a culture of operational excellence, teamwork, and mission focus. Bringing pilot astronauts into the Corps keeps this invaluable culture alive. Ayers isn't just following in the footsteps of giants, she's evolving their legacy for a new era of exploration. The heart of a pilot remains essential, whether in the roar of the sky or the silence of space. NASA's partnership with the U.S. military, especially the Air Force and Space Force, is foundational to America's space leadership. The Air Force invests years training pilots like Ayers. NASA gains astronauts with unmatched operational expertise. Shared infrastructure, like Kennedy Space Center and Vandenberg, blurs the line between military and civilian space efforts. Space Force Guardians monitor launches, ensuring safety and success. Technology and expertise flow both ways. NASA's research benefits the military, while military advances power NASA's missions. The presence of Air Force and Space Force officers on the ISS underscores the strategic importance of space. This collaboration is essential for maintaining U.S. leadership in exploration and security. Major Ayers' ISS mission is more than personal achievement. It's a signpost for the future of exploration. As NASA aims for the Moon and Mars, the need for resilient, adaptable operators like Ayers will only grow. The ISS is the perfect training ground for deep space missions, building the skills and muscle memory needed for lunar and Martian expeditions. Ayers returns to Earth as a veteran astronaut, ready to lead in humanity's next great adventures. The integration of elite military aviators is key to NASA's future strategy. Her journey from F-22 cockpit to ISS cupola proves that the drive to explore, and the skills to do it, are universal. As Crew 10 orbits Earth, we witness the preparation for our next giant leap, led by pilot astronauts like Major Ayers.